Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we have some more new and trending quests on Layer 3. And we have Superbridge with Hyperlane, Soneium, which is a new Layer 2 blockchain by Sony. So that's interesting. And introduction to Galaxy Exchange, where you cross-chain swap on the new Galaxy Exchange. So some pretty simple ones. So quick video, but before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Like the Layer 3 rewards, which they're giving out all kinds of incentives for staking, do their staking rewards. They have their airdrop 3 going on, which is part of the staking rewards. And collecting cubes is still key. They do have many other quests or campaigns. If you go to the main page, go to the campaigns, look at all the live campaigns, and you can see when they end. So the one that we are going to be getting into today is new and trending. So these are much older, but some of the other ones will be ending sooner, and we will be putting those out before this video because this one's not as time sensitive. But if you do have any questions or comments, need any help with the quests or campaigns, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. Discord is amazing. We've been putting a lot of work into it. Thank you to everyone who's put their time and effort into making this so amazing. We got a whole section of different things over on the side: announcements, referrals, chats, links and wins, signals and news, active test nets, blockchain adventures. So a lot of fun getting into all this. So thank you to everyone who has been in there, sharing the alpha, being so supportive, and sharing their time and knowledge. So I appreciate you all. And to those of you new, you'll get in there, connect with us. Feel free to ask me any questions. We want to be as helpful to everyone as we can be and create an amazing, amazing community of like-minded people who are there to support each other and not tear each other down and talk shit. So, you can talk shit, but just don't do it in a malicious or mean way. We're all here to have fun and enjoy each other's company and, learn from each other. So be respectful, but also, treat each other like family. Talk shit, but be nice about it. And if you have disagreements, make sure to do it in a healthy way. So we'll start off with the Superbridge, bridge through any available chain on Hyperlane, Superbridge. So the Superbridge is interesting. So really there's only a couple networks you can bridge from. So we'll select Ethereum. Since gas is pretty low right now, we'll go ahead and go to the injective EVM. I think, am I in Ancient 8 at all? I don't think I've bridged anything into Ancient 8. Nope, I don't see anything. So let's see. Yeah, if you're in any of these, you can bridge into there. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need to use any of these networks. So Viction, Injective EVM, or Ancient 8, you can bridge into those, but I'm not really trying to do all that. But Hyperlane is great. If you do nexus.org, Hyperlane bridge can bridge from EVM or Ethereum chains to Cosmos, Celestia, and Neutron are in the Cosmos ecosystem. So, all right, next up, some exciting news from Sony, as Soneium is Sony's Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain. All right, Soneium is Sony's Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain, created with Startail Labs. It enhances scalability and efficiency, aiming to mainstream Web3 adoption through Sony's vast ecosystem. It's built on Optimism's OP stack, same with Base, making it cheaper and faster with a focus on integration with Sony's products. Soneium's roadmap includes integrating blockchain with Sony's products from music to gaming within 2 years, paving the way for a decentralized digital future. So Soneium are launch partners, pretty good collection. You can learn more about them here and read their press release, and that is it. So pretty cool from Sony. Introduction to Galaxy Exchange. So Swing is the B2B go-to platform for DEX liquidity and bridge aggregation, spanning over 52 networks or EVM and non-EVM chains. Galaxy Exchange is a retail interface powered by the Swing solution, facilitating seamless asset transfers between EVM and non-EVM networks. They've raised $9 million from Republic Capital, Arlington Capital, all these venture funds, and you can join their Discord. Not going to do that right now, but bridge at least $6 worth of Ethereum, USDC, or USDT through Galaxy Exchange between any of these supported chains. So let's check them out. I might need to do some token swaps. Let's see the Base. Okay, we'll go on the Base network and swap some tokens on there. There we go. Log in with the Rabby. We'll go from the Base network. So switch chains or whatever chain you want to use. We're going to bridge USDC over to Arbitrum, right? I want to do Arbitrum, USDC, and we'll do $8. So the Galaxy exchange, see how fast this goes. Because if it's not fast, man, what are we doing? What are we doing? We will start our transfer. Looks like we're going to lose about $1. Yeah, I know. This will be okay. Okay, waiting for transaction approval. Now we can send our tokens over to the base network. Okay, let's see if we got it. The more you swap, the more swing points you will collect. Little birdie's outside. Cool. So that was pretty easy, pretty simple. Go in here, collect your cubes, and you will be good to go. So I appreciate you all so much. If you ever have any questions or comments, need any help or video recommendation requests, link is down below for the Discord. Jump in there, get in there. With that, this is a Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.